We're jumping straight in, guys. Straight, no chaser. All right, no, there's a chaser because we're making Jell-o shots, so it's not exactly straight. We're not on the little stuff today, okay? I got some cups, some lids for my Jell-o shots. I got some watermelon flavored gelatin here. I got some island pineapple flavored gelatin, which I love, and some unflavored gelatin in the back, which is just gonna make our Jell-o shots a little bit more solid. Alrighty. I got some Amsterdam pineapple that was just laying around the house. That's all you need. And finally, some cups and lids that I picked up at the Dollar Tree to put my Jell-o shots in. Use the cheap stuff, guys. You do not need to break the bank for Jell-o shots. It's just not that serious. So here you see I'm just going to go ahead and add that island pineapple packet of Jell-o, as well as about a fourth packet to a half packet of that gelatin into my bowl. And I am then grabbing my measuring cup and some boiling water, which I had sitting on the side. And I'm going to go ahead and add in a cup of boiling hot water to my gelatin packet mix here, because I want to make sure that I fully dissolve the contents of this packet before adding in our alcohol. So after I go ahead and fully dissolve these packets, what I'm going to do is also go ahead and enter another cup. Why do I keep saying enter? I'm going to put another cup of liquid into our measuring cup, but this time instead of water like usual Jell-o calls for, I'm going to put in our Amsterdam pineapple. You guys can go ahead and use your alcohol of choice. Ours today is the Amsterdam pineapple, which I think will match up great, with both of those flavors that I've picked out for today's Jell-o shots. So I'm adding in that cup of alcohol, and then I'm just going to go ahead and give this a final stir to get this all combined before I put them all into their individual cups. And as I mentioned, I picked those little packets up from Dollar Tree. You can check your local one, and if not, you probably can find something similar at Walmart. Everybody got a Walmart. All right, so after I've done this, I'm adding my liquid into my measuring cup, and then I'm just going to go ahead and pour and store. Alrighty, I'm pouring this mixture into these cups, and I'm going to store this in the fridge overnight. You guys try this recipe out. It's foolproof. I promise you'll love it. Let me know in the comments, and let me know what you guys want to see next. Thanks for stopping by, and as always, I appreciate it. Like, comment, and subscribe.